Hi there, it's John here from Redacca, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an image from Spanish into English. To get started, drag in your image into the Redacca app. You have three options for translation: Google Translate, Human Translation, which is supplied by the translation agency Gengo, or you can do your own personal translation. You can see that the image has picked up Spanish as the from language, and I've got my default language set to be English, so that's why this is already populated. Open up the Just Input text. These two areas will be sent for translation. You can see these red boxes around this text here. That means that they won't be selected for translation. Click Save, and then hit Translate. The translation's been marked as complete, so open up the edit canvas to adjust the text. Let's compare with the original. I can see that the text in the original is a bit thicker, so let me adjust this. So I'm just going to change that to black and then compare that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that, so I'll just export the file. And here's the translation we've just done. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacca.co.